basically these two apps, you have the same techniques. Just apply the same techniques to any of the apps which suits you, right? You can also use the InShot app. All you need to do is just follow the same technique and you'll get a flawless cloning video. So this is the app which I'm going to be using. It is a Videolip and Light app. Now I'm just going to go on to a new project and we're going to add the clips which we want to use, right? So I'm going to go scroll all the way and look for the clips. Okay, so this is the clip which we're going to be using and we're just going to add it. So this is the clip which we're going to be working with, right? So what I'm going to do now is just go to the section where I'm about to start the conversation and just trim off this excess part where I really don't know what I'm doing, you know. So we're just going to trim this to the part where we start the conversation, which is this part. Okay, so we're just going to split and delete this section so that this is where the video starts from. Okay, so now we're just going to also split this part where we have the second character and where she starts the conversation as well. Okay, so this is where she says hey, this is where she responds back. So we're going to trim it from here. We'll split this, and then this section now is the second character. So what we're going to do is just add this as an overlay on top of the first video. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this mixer tool to just add this as a layer on top. Okay, so we're then going to drag this all the way to where the first clip started. Okay, so this is what we have. It looks like one video, but now to make it look as though you have your twin in that video, all you need to do is use this mask tool, right? Use this, select the linear. You can do a mirror effect, but we're just going to use the linear. Rotate this 90 degrees, okay, and then just you can feather it out just so that it has like a more seamless blend, but I really don't do this. You can decide to do it if that's what rocks your boat. But yeah, so I'm just going to move this a bit to somewhere around here. Okay, so now you can see we have both sections in one video, right? So now let me just play this for you guys to hear what it's going to sound like.
Hey girl.
Hey girl. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So my name is Debbie and this is Alma. Right, so I'm pretty sure you noticed that with this, the recording which we made initially with the first character is going to be interfering with the video. Okay, so what you're going to do now is to select this layer on top, which is the character on the right, and just mute it. Okay, so we'll mute it, and the only time we're going to unmute it is when she's saying anything. Okay, so for instance, this is where she's going to say hi back, so we're just going to split, and then we're then going to split again where she stops saying hi. Okay, so then this section, what we're not going to do is to unmute it so that it plays and we have a volume when she's talking. Okay, the other sections don't need to be playing because really she's not saying anything. So let's just play this and see how it sounds. Hey girl. Hi. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So my name is Debbie and this is right. So this section where I'm about to say my name, I'm just going to do the same thing and just split all the way to where I'm done saying my name. Okay, so we'll split again and make sure that this side is not muted. So we'll just come here and add volume, and then this is what it's going to sound like. Channel. So my name is Debbie and this is Alma. So in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be showing. Okay, so this is how you can have it flawless and be in tune with your responses. So we're going to just do the same thing by splitting, muting, unmuting, and just so that we are in tune with the responses, right? So as you guys can see, this is what we have right now. Let me play it for you guys to see. Hey girl. Hi. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So my name is Debbie and this is Alma. So in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be showing you guys how to create a video of yourself where you clone yourself and have two of yourself in the same video. It's going to be in two parts, right? The first part is going to be how to film yourself using your mobile phone, and the second part is going to be how to actually edit this video on your mobile phone such that the two characters look as though they are in the same video. So if you are interested, if you're interested, then you want to keep on watching this video, right? Okay, so I'm gonna move. So we can see now this is the end, right? So this is the ending of the video where I really laugh. So I'm gonna end this clip right here. You can see what we said. If you come in contact with the middle of the frame, it's going to interrupt, right? So here is where we're going to end the clip, and we're just going to delete this section, right? So that we have a flawless video, and this is the end. Okay, we still have to trim this a little bit to this point. We'll just trim this and trim this as well. Okay, so this is the end, and it's really simple. All you just need to do is be in tune with your responses, and by doing that, you just want to use something to record what you are saying so that you know exactly when to say what you're supposed to say, basically. And then when you are editing it, just mute some sections and unmute some sections where you're speaking. It's really that simple. It's the same technique if you're using this app or if you are using the CapCut app. Okay, so now that we are done with the editing, this is the finished results. Hey girl, hi. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So my name is Debbie and this is Ama. So in this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be showing you guys how to create a video of yourself where you clone yourself and have two of yourself in the same video. It's going to be in two parts, right? The first part is going to be how to film yourself using your mobile phone, and the second part is going to be how to actually edit this video on your mobile phone such that the two characters look as though they are in the same video. So if you are interested, if you're interested, then you want to keep on watching this video, right? Okay, so it is